Welcome to Grandharvest. We're excited to introduce our brand new herbal kitchen gardening kit, specially launched to make home and kitchen gardening simpler, safer, and more productive than ever before. This all-in-one bioorganic kit is thoughtfully designed to protect your plants from pests, strengthen roots, boost healthy growth, and enhance flowering and fruiting naturally and sustainably. Grandharvest Herbal Kitchen Gardening Kit includes the 4 products. 1. Grandharvest Bioorganic Liquid Fertilizer Herbal Pest Guard forms a natural protective shield against major pests and fungal threats, protects foliage and supports overall plant health, eco-friendly and safe for plants, ensuring a pest-free environment, promotes strong, healthy, and resilient plant growth. 2. Grandharvest Bioorganic Solid Fertilizer Herbal Root Protector improves availability and uptake of N, P, and K, strengthens roots and enhances nutrient and water absorption, protects roots from pathogens, pests, and stress, promotes the growth and activity of beneficial soil microbes. 3. Grandharvest Bioorganic Liquid Fertilizer Herbal Vegetative FJ73 used during vegetative growth stages to boost faster, healthier growth, promotes lush crop development and improves soil water retention, reduces water usage, heavy metal content, and pesticide residues, strengthens crop immunity and lowers pesticide dependence. 4. Grandharvest Bioorganic Liquid Fertilizer Herbal Flowering, Fruiting and Stress Buster FJ37 used during the flowering and fruiting stages of crops and plants, boosts flowering, fruit set, and helps withstand climatic stress, improves yield, fruit size, quantity, and overall quality, reduces harvesting time by 10 to 15 days. With the Grandharvest Herbal Kitchen Gardening Kit, you don't just grow plants, you grow health, sustainability, and confidence in every harvest. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener, this all-in-one herbal kit ensures stronger plants, better yields, and chemical-free produce for your family. Start your kitchen gardening journey with Grandharvest today and experience the power of nature, the herbal way.